What's the meaning of connote? Connote. Connote.
Connote. Connote. The word connote means to suggest or imply something in addition to its literal or main meaning. It is often used when describing words or phrases that carry a secondary or metaphorical meaning beyond their straightforward definition. For example, the phrase cold as ice connotes emotional distance or indifference. The addition of this secondary meaning can add depth and complexity to language, and allow for more nuanced expression. Overall, the term connote refers to the subtle layers of meaning that can be conveyed through language beyond its literal interpretation.